Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to move completed tasks in Asana My Tasks. If you've ever wanted your finished tasks to automatically organize themselves instead of cluttering your active list, this automation will save you tons of time and keep your workspace clean. First, go to the Asana web app and sign in to your account. Once you're in, click on My Tasks in the left sidebar. This opens your personal task list where all your assigned work lives. Now look toward the top right of the My Tasks page and click the Customize button. This is where you can tailor how your tasks are displayed and managed. From the Customize menu, select Rules. Rules are Asana's way of automating repetitive actions, so you don't have to manually move tasks around every time you complete one. Next, click the Add button, then select Create Custom Rule. This opens up the Rule Builder, where you'll set up your automation. In the Rule Builder, click the When button. This is where you define the trigger for your rule. From the drop-down, select Task Completion Status is changed, then choose Status is Complete. This tells Asana to watch for whenever you mark a task as done. If you want to add extra conditions, like only moving tasks with certain tags or from specific projects, click Check If and configure those filters. Otherwise, you can leave this blank to apply the rule to all completed tasks. Now click Do This and select Move Task to another section. Here's where you choose your destination. Pick an existing section like Completed or create a new one if you prefer a custom label. This is the section where all your finished tasks will automatically land, keeping your active view focused and tidy. At the top of the Rule Builder, you'll see a field that says Add Rule Name. Enter something clear, like Move Completed Tasks, so you can easily identify it later. Before you finish, make sure the Active toggle is turned on. This ensures your rule starts working immediately. Finally, click Publish Rule in the top right corner. Your automation is now live. To test it out, go ahead and mark any task complete. You'll see it instantly move to the section you selected. No more manual dragging or sorting through old tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.